Welcome to Stellar Nature, where we explore the wonders of Earth and beyond. Today we're diving into the heart of our solar system, the Sun. This blazing ball of gas is not just the center of our solar system, it's the reason life exists on Earth. But what exactly is the Sun and how does it work? Let's find out. The Sun is a star, a massive glowing sphere of hot gases. It's made up of about 75% hydrogen and 24% helium, with trace amounts of other elements. But don't let those numbers fool you. This star is anything but ordinary. In fact, it's one of the largest and most powerful objects in our entire galaxy. With a diameter of about 1.39 million kilometers, or 864,000 miles, the Sun could fit roughly 1.3 million Earths inside it. And if you think that's impressive, consider this. The Sun contains 99.86% of the total mass of our entire solar system. But how does the Sun actually work? The answer lies in a process called nuclear fusion. Deep within its core, the Sun converts hydrogen into helium through fusion reactions. These reactions release an enormous amount of energy, which radiates out from the Sun's core to its surface and beyond. This energy is what we see and feel as sunlight. It takes about 8 minutes for light from the Sun to reach Earth, traveling a distance of about 150 million kilometers, or 93 million miles. The Sun isn't just a big ball of fire. It's made up of several layers, each with its own unique properties. Let's break it down. At the very center we have the core. This is where nuclear fusion happens. Surrounding the core is the radiative zone, where energy slowly makes its way outward through radiation. Then comes the convective zone, where hot plasma rises and cool plasma sinks in a process known as convection. Finally, we reach the Sun's surface, or the photosphere, which is where sunlight is actually emitted. Above the photosphere, we have the Sun's atmosphere, consisting of the chromosphere and the corona. The corona, which you can see during a solar eclipse, is actually hotter than the Sun's surface, reaching temperatures of over 1 million degrees Celsius. Without the Sun, life on Earth wouldn't exist. It provides the energy needed for plants to perform photosynthesis, which is the foundation of our food chain. The Sun also drives our weather patterns and climate, but the Sun isn't always gentle. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections can send massive amounts of energy and charged particles toward Earth, disrupting our magnetic field. This can lead to beautiful auroras, but it can also interfere with satellites, power grids, and communication systems. Like all stars, the Sun has a life cycle. Right now, it's in a phase called the main sequence, where it has been for about 4.6 billion years. But what will happen when the Sun runs out of fuel? In about 5 billion years, the Sun will enter its red giant phase, expanding so much that it will likely engulf the inner planets, including Earth. Eventually, it will shed its outer layers, leaving behind a hot core known as a white dwarf. Over billions of years, that white dwarf will cool down and fade away. The Sun is the ultimate source of energy and life in our solar system, but it's also a powerful reminder of the forces at work in the universe. As we continue to study the Sun, we gain a deeper understanding of not just our star, but also the countless other stars that fill our galaxy. Thanks for joining us on this journey to the Sun. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more explorations of Earth and space. See you in the next video.